Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain you about descriptive text. Have you ever tried to make a descriptive text? For example, a descriptive text about someone you admire, a pet, a tourist spot, a plant, or another object around you. Well, before writing a descriptive text, you must be understand the purpose and characteristic of the text. Next, you can compose a descriptive text with the applicable structure and language rules. So curious, it is difficult to make a descriptive text. Let's learn together in this video. I will explain you how to make it. First, definition of descriptive text. What is a descriptive text? According to KBBI, what is meant by description is an explanation or deposition in words clearly and detail. The thing to be described is called an object. The object described in the descriptive text is an object that can be captured by the five senses. Based on that, descriptive text is a text that contains a description of an object, be it a living creature, object, place, or even in detail, so that the reader seems to see, hear, and feel or experience the things described by the author. Therefore, when creating described text, choose objects that can also be imagined by the reader. Give an example of a descriptive text object. Okay, for descriptive text that describe living thing, you can describe your parents, your best friend, animal, plants, or idol. Meanwhile, for object, you can describe musical instrument, laptop, vehicle, and so on. In addition, you can also describe place and event such as room, traditional house, mountains, beaches, flutes, demonstration, or art performance. So, are you no longer confused about which object to choose to describe? Okay, descriptive text structure. Before creating a descriptive text, you need to know its structure. Without a structure, the text structure will be disjointed, making it unpleasant to read. There are three descriptive text structure, namely identification part, part description, and conclusion or impression. Okay, let's discuss them one by one. The first, identification. The identification structure is the initial part of the descriptive text that contains an introduction to the name of the object, the meaning of the name, location, history of its birth, or other general description of the object being described. For example, if you have a beach object, you can inform the name and location of the beach. You can write how famous the beach is. Second, part description. The part description structure is a detailed description from the author's point of view of an object. The author describes what he has seen, heard, and felt while observing the object of his choice. So in this section, the author can describe each part of the object. For example, when describing a beach, you can describe that the beach is very beautiful place with busy wave, but the air is very hot, so you have to keep wearing a hat to keep enjoying the view. You can also describe the condition of the sun and the condition at dusk on the beach, And the third is conclusion or impression. The conclusion or impression structure is a section that contains conclusion or impression from the author's observation of the object. However, the section is optional. This means that it can be written or not. For example, although this beach is beautiful, many visitors still litter. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.